Hi, this is Min and welcome back again to She Walks the World. And I have to say I'm enjoying cooking all these international dishes that I've tried on my travels around the world and sharing it with you. Now if you want to read about my travels, you can always head on to my blog at shewalkstheworld.com and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So today I'm bringing you back again to my home country of Malaysia, so we'll be cooking a Malaysian dish. Now this dish is a snack and a breakfast that is a little lesser known but just as well loved by us Malaysians. So it's a Malay dish and it's usually served at feasts as well as festivals, and it is known as Roti Jala. In direct translation actually means net bread, but it's sort of like a pancake, so I would say it's a net pancake. And Roti Jala goes best with either beef rendang or curry chicken, but because curry chicken is my absolute favorite, that's what we're going to cook today. So yes, today's dish will be Roti Jala and curry chicken. So we're going to start with the curry chicken. For the blended paste, we have 3 dried chili peppers, 3 garlic cloves, 3 small shallots, about 2 cm of ginger, and 3.5 tablespoons of curry powder. For the curry, we have of course the chicken meat. I have 2 drumsticks and thighs here, 2 cut up potatoes, 1 yellow onion, about 3 stalks of curry leaves and 1 stalk of lemongrass, 1.5 cups of water, about 300 ml, and an equal amount of coconut milk. And to taste, we have salt and sugar. So we'll start by marinating the chicken. I'm going to put in about half a teaspoon of salt and about half a tablespoon of curry powder and mix it up. Alright, now we're going to leave it to marinate for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now we're going to blend the paste. We're going to put in the shallots, garlic, the ginger, the dried chilies, the remaining 3 tablespoons of meat curry powder, and I'm going to add in a little bit of water as well to make the blending process a little easier. The paste is done! Time to cook the curry chicken! Yay! So now we're going to start with putting in 3 tablespoons of oil. Just heat it for a while and then we can put in the curry paste. So we're going to cook the paste until it is fragrant. Once you can smell the beautiful aroma of the curry, now we'll put in the chicken. We'll stir it around until the paste looks slightly drier than it was before. Then we'll add in the water. So once the curry starts to boil, it's time to put in the rest of the ingredients. We're going to start with potatoes, the onion, the lemongrass, as well as the curry leaves. Then we'll stir it in and leave it to simmer for about 30 to 45 minutes. So while the chicken cooks, we're going to work on the Roti Jala. The ingredients are 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of ground turmeric, 1 egg to be beaten, 3/4 cup of water, half a cup of coconut milk, as well as a half teaspoon of salt. We're going to put in the flour and the turmeric as well as the salt and stir it in first. After that, we're going to stir in the beaten eggs as well as the coconut milk and the water. And we're going to stir it until it becomes a smooth batter. So now it's become a smooth batter, we're going to sieve it out so that it becomes even smoother. I only have a small sieve, so this is the best I can do. Alright, the Roti Jala mixture is done. Now it's time to cook it. So there's a Roti Jala cup that you can use to actually make the Roti Jala. I'm actually making do with this plastic bottle where I've actually punched a couple of holes in it so that the mixture can flow out onto the pan. Let's begin. This is my first time making Roti Jala, so we'll try. First we're going to heat up the pan and use a brush to spread the oil around. Now we're going to pour a little bit of the mixture into my self-made plastic cup. Make it into little patterns. Ah, too much. Didn't turn out so good. We'll try it again. Ah! And on to the next attempt. I'm going to try this in a circular motion. Ah, it looks much better. Let it cook for about 2 minutes. Time to fold the Roti Jala. Actually, you don't have to worry about the Roti Jala being so perfect because once you fold it, you can't really see. You have to fold the sides in and then roll it up. I guess this works too. Try the next one. Roll the sides, roll in the sides, and roll it up this way. So we just continue cooking and rolling until we get about 4 to 5 Roti Jalas per person. Alright, now we're back to the curry chicken. It's nicely simmering there. And we're gonna put in the coconut milk. This is to thicken the curry. Now we're gonna wait for it to boil again. Now once it's boiling again, we're gonna put in the salt and the sugar. Now we let it simmer for maybe another 5 minutes, and then we'll take it out from the heat and into a bowl. And there it is, my Roti Jala and curry chicken. I guess there's still a lot of things for me to learn on how to make the perfect Roti Jala, but I guess I kind of pass for now. The curry chicken dough I love this recipe. Anyway, thanks for joining me, Min, once again on She Walks the World. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you want to see more international dishes cooked on the show, do let me know what you want to eat and what you want to learn how to cook in the comments below. And do follow me on my blog at shewalkstheworld.com. For now, jom makan!